Hello, welcome back to Vega channel, and we are going to be coding right now. Right now I'm going to do on Python. We are doing in PyCharm, which I'm doing right there because I like PyCharm. So right now we're going to be typing and just basically be coding on machine learning. Basically, we're going to predict between diabetes, not predict like diabetes 1, diabetes 2. Instead, we're going to predict a person that doesn't have diabetes and a person that do have diabetes. So right now I'm going to explain what it help us to understand for someone who doesn't know to the extent of machine learning. So machine learning, it help us understand more. For example, the computer or the code that you're typing is basically process it and make it predict more faster than a regular human that would try to predict it. So instead, this machine learning tries to predict it way faster and just make someone to understand it more and analyze more the way diabetes or heart disease or heart attack or anything, basically like a competition or like a dog and cat. So that's why we're going to do this. Just an example that I'm doing diabetes. So using some of the CVS, which I'm going to show you other video that we need to download, how to download a CVS into PyCharm. So right now we're going to keep going with typing the code and just basically name the feature and label, which label is just having one thing, one name, or one basically what is inside the CBS. And also a feature needs to have multiple feature. So basically right now you see mine's, it has a outcome. So basically it define 0 and 1, not basically a person that doesn't have diabetes and a person who has diabetes. And also would go over with machine learning and AI. Okay, machine learning, it help us understand more. Okay, so basically we know that there are 3 million people in the United States that has this type of disease, result with high glucose and blood sugar. So we can try to predict how to compare between a regular person and not a person that has diabetes. So basically we're going to compare it, just try to see going to predict it more advanced. And also basically I will say that is it, basically what we're going to do. Also I'm going to keep going with this video, and also it will be short. And also like this video, share, and comment if you like this video. Just comment because I wanted to know your opinion, and also how to do more projects, basically. Also, bye.